Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on multiplication and division chapter. For this you can refer our textbook page numbers 94 and 95. What is our first sum? Find the quotient and the remainder, then verify your answer. Okay, what is the given dividend here? It is 23,612. And what is the divisor? 3. Okay, where will you get 2 in anywhere in multiplication table of 3? If you observe the multiples of 3, you won't get 2, right? They will start from 3. So let us go for the number 23. In multiplication table of 3, where you will get 23? Is there any number that you will get 23 in multiplication table of 3? No. Means you go down. Like, is there any nearest number which you can subtract from 23? Okay, which can be goes from 23. If you observe 3 table, 3 5s 15, 3 6 18, 3 7s 21, 3 8s 24, 3 9s 27. Okay, now 23 is there. Which is the nearest one for this? Which number you can take? 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. So you can write 7 in quotient's place and 21 here. If you subtract 21 from 23, you will get 2. 2 minus 2, it is 0. Now let us bring down the next digit, that is 6. Now this will become 26. Okay. Now if you observe the multiplication table of 3, you are getting 24 and 27. 27 is greater than 26. So you have to consider 24. 3 times 8 is 24. So let us write 24 here and subtract. 6 minus 4, it is 2, and 2 minus 2 again it is 0. Now let us bring down the next digit, that is 1, in which where you will get 21 in multiplication table of 3. You will get multiplication table of 3. 3 times 7, it is 21. So let us consider 7 again, 21. Okay, now subtract 0, you will get next digit is 2. Let us bring down that 2. Can you subtract 3 from 2? No. So 3 times 0 is 0. So let us subtract 0 from 2. You will get the same number, that is 2. And is there any digit left? No. So 2 is the only digit and you cannot subtract 3 from 2. So 2 is our remainder. Okay. So what is the remainder here? Number 2. And what is the quotient? 7,870. Whether you have done correctly or not, how will you check? What is the relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder? What is the relation? Dear children, tell me. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Am I right? Plus remainder R. So what is the divisor here? It is 3. And what is the quotient? 7,870. And what is the remainder? What is the remainder, children? Plus. So you have to write here plus. What is the remainder? It is 2. 3 times 7,870. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7, 21. 3 8s, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 3 7s, 21. And 21 plus 2, it is 23. 23,610 plus remainder, that is 2. So what is the dividend you obtained? 23,612, which is our required dividend. So our quotient and remainder are correct. Okay, like this you have to verify. Right. Let us move to the next problem. Divide and fill in the blanks. There is a dividend and you are having divisor also, and some digits are given in quotient's place also. You have to fill up the missing digits. Okay. So what is the divisor here? 8. 8 times 1 is 8. So let us write 8 here, and 8 minus 8 it is 0. And what is the next digit? It is 0 again. Can you do something with 0? No. So let us drop down and means let us write next digit also, that is 8. Okay. So if you are having 0 after 8, immediately you are considering the next digit also. You have to take 0 here. Okay. Now 8 ones 8. So 8 minus 8 again it is 0, and now you are having one more 0 here. So let us bring down that 0, and next you cannot subtract, simply 0 you cannot consider, right? So you have to consider the next digit, that is 8. Let us bring down 8. Now what you will do, you are taking directly after 0, 8 also you are bringing down the next digit also. That means you have to place one more 0 here, and then you will get 8 ones are 8, and that is 0. So what is our quotient? Quotient is 10101. What is the remainder? It is 0. Okay. Divide and fill in the blanks. All the blanks were filled up, right? Right. Let us move to the next one. Find the dividend if divisor is 9, quotient is 3906, remainder is 1. So what is the relation between these four? Dividend is equal to divisor. That means 9 into quotient. What is quotient? 3906 plus remainder 1. So 9 into 3906. Let us multiply here. 3906 into 9. Horizontal multiplication also you can complete. 9 6 are 54. Write 4 here and 5 here. 9 zeros is 0. So let us write 5. 9 9s 81. 9 3s 27 plus 8. 27 plus 8, which is 35. So let us write 35. That means 35,154 plus 1, which is 35,155. Okay? Right. This is how you have to do this. Next one is divisor equal to 3, quotient is 12,345, remainder is 2. So we have to find the dividend. Let us find out the dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor 3 into quotient 12,345 plus remainder, that is 2. Okay. Now let us multiply 12,345 with 3. 3 5s 15, 3 4s 12 plus 1 13, 3 3s 9 plus 1 10, 3 2 6 plus 1 7, and 3 1s 3. So what is the product obtained? 37,035 plus 2. What you will get? 37,037. Okay. So that is the dividend you will get. Okay children. What is the relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. This is what you have to Remember, this is called division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, right. Hope you understood the session. Thank you, children.